Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning about the power rule. So the power rule states that if you have a function f of x given in terms of x to the nth power, the first derivative of that function, f prime of x, is given as x times n to the n minus 1 power. So you can either memorize this verbatim, or the way I like to do it is you think about taking this exponent here, dragging it in front of the x, and then decreasing it by 1. Either one of these methods works, so let's get into some practice questions. First one being d dx of x squared. Now, if you're not familiar with d dx, this is essentially saying find the first derivative of x squared. So we need to solve for f prime of x, and we're given f of x as x squared, which is conveniently in the form of x to the n. So we now know that n is 2. Okay? So, using my preferred method, we see this exponent, bring it in front of the x, and then decrease it by 1, which gives us 1, or 2x. Now, if you plug directly into this equation here, we've got f prime of x equals nx to the n minus 1, where again, n equals 2. We plug n in, or 2 in for n here, we get 2x to the 2 minus 1, or 2x. So either method results in the same answer. Here's another example. d dx of 1 over x. So again, asking for f prime of x, and we're given f of x as 1 over x. Now, a lot of people get stumped up here because they're unsure of how to get 1 over x in terms of x to the n. Well, if you think about it, 1 over x is really just x to the minus 1, right? Therefore, n equals minus 1. So, f prime of x, take this minus 1, drag it in front of the x, and then decrease it by 1. So minus 1 is this minus 2. Or in other words, minus x to minus 2. Now this is correct, but we can also represent it as minus 1 over x squared. Either one is valid. Now, if we want to plug directly into the equation, remember n equals minus 1, and the equation being f prime of x equals n times x to the n minus 1, which gives us minus 1, x minus 1 minus 1, or minus x minus 2 again. Our next example is d dx x cubed. So again, solving for f prime of x, and we're given f of x as x cubed, which is conveniently in the form x to the n, where n is 3. So, f prime of x, you take this exponent here, drag it in front of the x, get 3, subtract that 3 by 1, and we get 3x squared. If you want to plug into the equation, you get n equals 3, f prime of x equals n x to the n minus 1. Plug in 3 here, plug in 3 there, and we get f prime of x equals 3x to the 3 minus 1, or 3x squared. Now the last example, d dx of 1 over x squared. Again, solving for f prime of x, we're given f of x as 1 over x squared, which we now know we can represent as x to the minus 2, giving us an n of minus 2. So f prime of x, take this exponent, drag it in front. We got minus 2 times x, the minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. We get minus 2x minus 3, which again is correct, but we can also represent that as minus 2 over x cubed. Now, if you want to plug that into the equation, f prime of x is n x to the n minus 1. Plug in minus 2 there, minus 2 there. You get minus 2 x minus 2 minus 1. Gives us minus 2x minus 3.